Pour water over your fried eggs. Fried eggs have never been so perfect. The yolks will be runny while the whites are perfectly set. Take a skillet and place it over medium heat. Add some clarified butter to the pan and spread it evenly, waiting for it to melt. Then crack a few eggs into the skillet and cook them as usual for about 3 minutes. Normally you would flip them at this point, but now grab a little water in a jug and pour it over the eggs in one swift motion. Cover the skillet with a lid and let the eggs cook for another 3 minutes. Remove the lid and serve as desired. This trick ensures the yolk stays runny, the eggs are always sunny side up, and the whites are well cooked. This method makes frying eggs easier than ever. It took me many years to discover this method. Grab a large pot and fill it halfway with water, making sure there's enough room for the water to boil without spilling over. Bring the water to a boil over medium heat. Meanwhile, coat a ladle with oil. This simple trick prevents food from sticking to it. Next, crack an egg into the oiled ladle. Slowly lower the ladle with the egg into the boiling water, being careful not to submerge the egg. Hold it there for about a minute until you see the egg white starting to set on the sides. Once the white near the yolk has set, fully submerge the ladle with the egg into the water. Keep it submerged for just under a minute. When the egg white on top has set, remove the egg from the water and place it on a plate. This is a simple trick for making poached eggs. With this method, you can enjoy perfectly set whites and a runny yolk, and it's never been easier to make. You've never had eggs prepared like this before? Try it once, and you won't go back to any other version. Crack 4 large eggs into an oven-proof dish. Add a pinch of salt for flavor, then pour in 1/2 cup of milk. Whisk thoroughly with a fork until the mixture becomes pale, fluffy, and lightly aerated. The better you aerate it, the more delicate the final texture will be. Prepare a large pot. Place a silicone mat or a folded kitchen towel on the bottom so the oven-proof dish doesn't sit directly on the base. Pour in about 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Carefully place the dish with the egg mixture inside, reduce the heat, cover, and cook for about 12 minutes. Once done, gently remove it from the dish and cut into portions. You'll end up with a silky, creamy egg dish with a texture you simply can't achieve in a frying pan. Perfect for a slow, relaxed breakfast, or as a light side for lunch or dinner, especially when you're in the mood for something simple. It's a more interesting and elegant way to serve eggs than the everyday versions you're used to. Christmas tangerine cake. Made in a pan. No oven needed. Sprinkle the tangerines with sugar and sauté them in butter. In a large bowl, crack 1 egg, add 2 handfuls of sugar, pour in 1 cup of milk and a bit of vegetable oil. Mix everything with a whisk. Then add 1 cup of flour and mix until a smooth batter forms. Add a pinch of cinnamon and a bit of lemon zest. Pour the batter over the sautéed tangerines, cover with a lid, and cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. After that, set it aside to cool slightly. Place a plate on the pan and flip it upside down so the cake slides onto the plate. Finally, dust it with powdered sugar and decorate with fresh fruit. A delicious, fragrant cake you can make faster than your friends can brew coffee. Perfect poached egg straight from a strainer. This trick is taught by pros in cooking classes. Boil water in a pot and place a fine mesh metal strainer so it rests on the edges. The egg should cook with steam, not in the water. Crack the egg into the strainer and cover the pot with a lid. Steam for about 3 minutes. The white will set, and the yolk will stay runny. If you prefer a firmer yolk, cook it for 1 more minute. Now just serve it on toast. A perfect poached egg that melts with silky yolk over the bread, like breakfast in a restaurant. It's a quick and foolproof method for poached eggs, no swirling water or vinegar needed. Perfect egg in 1 minute. No frying pan needed. This lightning-fast recipe requires just 3 ingredients and lets you prepare a tasty breakfast with zero hassle. First, grab 2 plates of the same size. Crack an egg onto one, season with salt and pepper to your liking. Cover it with the second plate. This ensures even cooking and a perfect texture. Now, the easiest part, microwave the plates for exactly 1 minute. When done, carefully remove them using a towel to avoid burns. And that's it. A perfectly cooked egg in just a minute. No pan, no water, no mess. Ideal when you're short on time but need something nutritious. Great for lazy mornings or a quick bite before heading out. Fast, simple, and delicious. Try it and see how convenient it is. I fry eggs in water. I stopped frying them in oil a long time ago. I have gained a lot from this change. If you fry eggs in oil or any kind of fat, you will stop doing it as soon as you watch this video. Frying eggs in water is simple and makes less mess. It's also healthier, which is important for many people. First, prepare a pan and pour about a cup of water into it, enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Turn on the stove to bring the water to a boil. In the meantime, prepare the eggs. First, crack 1 egg into a small bowl, then the second. Once the water is boiling, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Stir the water with the vinegar. Vinegar is ideal for preparing eggs in water. Now pour the eggs into the pan. Leave them in the pan for a few minutes. The whites need to set well. This will take a moment. When you see that the eggs are ready, turn off the stove. Remove the eggs and place them on a plate. All that's left now is to season them to your liking and eat. I hope you try this trick and are as satisfied as I am. Place the chicken breast in the egg mixture. This preparation makes the meat melt in your mouth. Take 1 large chicken breast and slice it lengthwise as shown in the video. Then make small cuts on the surface. Pound the meat thinly with a meat mallet. In a large bowl, add about 200 grams of flour. In a second large bowl, crack 3 eggs, adding salt and pepper to taste, and mix well. Finely chop fresh parsley and add it to the egg bowl. Next, add around 50 grams of mozzarella. Parmesan can also be used. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream and mix thoroughly. Now, coat the prepared chicken in the flour and then in the egg mixture. Melt butter in a skillet, then place the chicken breast in. Cook over low heat for about 5 minutes on each side. Once done, transfer the chicken to a plate. In the same skillet, add 150 milliliters of broth. Grate 3 cloves of garlic and add to the pan, bringing it to a boil. Add a large handful of chopped parsley and the freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon. After a moment, add around 20 grams of butter. Return the cooked chicken breast to the skillet and cook, covered for about 10 minutes. This dish pairs well with mashed potatoes. Simply add butter and your favorite seasonings to boiled potatoes and mix well. This meal is now ready. Juicy chicken breast in an egg batter makes a perfect dinner that melts in your mouth.